Welcome to your journey of deep relaxation. This guided session will help you gently relax and drift into sleep. I will be your guiding voice on this journey, so simply relax and listen. Lie down comfortably and savor this moment. Take a deep breath, imagining the fresh air filling your lungs. Hold it for a moment, and then exhale slowly, imagining all tension leaving your body with each breath. In just a few moments, you will begin a gentle visualization journey within your mind. But before we start, make sure you're ready to relax and drift into sleep. If there is anything you need to take care of first, pause this recording and return when you're ready. If you're comfortable and ready for sleep, let's begin. Now, close your eyes. Take a deep breath, feeling the pure air flow into your body, and as you exhale, release any remaining tension. Take another deep breath, hold it for a few seconds, and exhale slowly. Let me be your guiding voice on this journey. But remember, you are always in control. If at any moment you wish to wake up, simply open your eyes. You may notice that thoughts are still swirling in your mind, and that's completely normal. Don't worry about them. These thoughts will start to quiet down as you go deeper into relaxation. Now, take another deep breath, feeling the cool, refreshing air fill you. As you exhale, release any tension you may still feel. focus on your entire body. In a moment, I will ask you to tense all the muscles in your body at once. When I say relax, you will let go of all tension, allowing your body to become completely limp. Are you ready? Tense all the muscles in your body. Hold that tension as tightly as you can. Don't forget your face and neck. Now, relax. Let your entire body go limp. Feel how much more relaxed your body has become. Take a slow, deep breath and exhale, releasing any remaining tension. This technique of tensing and releasing muscles helps you achieve a deep state of relaxation. Notice how your mind begins to slow down and relax as well. As you drift deeper into this peaceful state, feel your body becoming more relaxed with each passing moment. Enjoy the calm and tranquility as you gently drift toward sleep. This gentle feeling will continue to wash over you, bringing a sense of peace and serenity to your mind. Allow yourself to peacefully fall into a deep, restful sleep. As you drift off into sleep, know that you are enveloped by a sense of calm and peace. Let go of all worries and embrace a deep, restorative sleep that rejuvenates both your body and mind. Sweet dreams.